So, thrust is a force which moves an aircraft through the air. Thrust generated by the engine of the aircraft. As per Newton's third law, when a reaction held, the opposite reaction to that is should be held. So, by this equation, by this law, we are going to conduct a thrust equation. Thrust is a mechanical force which is generated through the reaction of accelerating mass. So, or of gas. The gas accelerated to rear, the engine accelerated opposite direction. So, we can consider that there is a pressurized body, which has which the combustion or like a propulsive device. Here the velocity and area and pressure. So this is inlet, velocity inlet, area of inlet and pressure of inlet, and here we get the final force of velocity exhaust, pressure exhaust, acceleration exhaust, area exhaust. So if we consider this as a propulsive device, so that was the outer body. So from outer layer in space, we does not have any pressure or gas or like that. So it's a vacuum. So we consider that as m dot or m naught. So by the force the rocket goes up. So by the force, how can we define the thrust? So force is equal to changes in momentum with time. Change in momentum with time. So here we can see in the equation of momentum or in the equation of thrust or force, if we define based on momentum, so F is equal to m change of momentum with time. So m1 v1 we consider as m1 v1 and m2 v2 by defining the change rate of change of time t2 minus t1 like that. So we can shrink this equation, define this equation as mass flow rate exhaust, velocity exhaust minus mass flow rate outlet and velocity outlet. So in the space, Pe equal to P0, Pe equal to P0 because the pressure is nothing, pressure is there. So we can eliminate that. So by this equation we can obtain the equation of the force m exhaust, mass exhaust, velocity exhaust and minus mass outlet and velocity outlet. And in addition we should write we should consider the pressure. So we should consider the pressure before we are taking it as a P equal to P naught. So the final, and here I hope you have understand the thrust equation based on the momentum. And thank you. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.